Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace on this channel. Guys, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, check out my ebook. It is now available on the Amazon platform. Only thing you have to do is search The Man Who Set Himself on Fire by Donald Bogan, the D-O-G-E-N. Alright guys, we got a good one for you. Another security camera setup. Now, you know Kittyhok, I absolutely love their products, guys. I have several Kittyhok cameras. Well, they decided to send me their system, guys, and guess what? It have a built-in drive, meaning that it can record. Now, what I wanted to do is replace the old camera system I had inside my house. My wife wasn't a fan of it because of the wires. Basically, the wires had to be ran all the way around because they connect to one power source. These cameras here have individual power sources and they can be powered via the Ethernet port. But enough talking, let's jump into the unboxing, guys. I'm gonna show you how I set it up using my smartphone and exactly how I use it every day, and then I'm gonna come back and give you my final thoughts on this product. Let's jump to it, but first, word from our sponsor. Connected Test quickly become my favorite IPTV service. Connected will allow you to stream up to 2 devices for $14 and 5 devices for $25 a month. That's right, only $14, 2 devices, or 5 devices at $25 a month. They give you the option to view the APK several ways: APK 1, APK 2, and my favorite, and I recommend to you guys, APK 3. And if you don't have an Android Fire Stick device, you can always view it on their web player if you have an iOS device. Connected to the source, guys. One of the best, no, I dare say it is the best IPTV service. Alright guys, so here we have it. This is the HD NVR kit from Kittyhok, and you can see there's 4 cameras inside of this box. Let's go ahead and get everything open, guys. Now, this camera can be used indoor or outdoors. It is IPS66. That's just the rating that, you know, saying that, hey, it's dust and waterproof. All right, so the first thing you're going to see is the user guide. Now, I strongly recommend that you take advantage of the user guide. A lot of helpful information, especially if you're setting it up. Now, full disclosure, guys, setup is easy. It's a pinch. It's basically plug and play. Let's go ahead and take out the hub. And basically, guys, you get your little antennas, and then in the back you're gonna have your spots where you can plug up different monitors and a spot for your Ethernet wire. Okay, the USB for the mouse, and of course you have your power input. All right, so let's go ahead and have a look at the camera itself. But first, let's check out the power sources. You're going to get a Ethernet card. You're also going to get 4 different power sources, so they can be powered via over the Ethernet wire or by the dedicated power source. All right, now here we go. Now the unboxing of the camera. Go ahead and open up the camera, guys. Now, one of the things that struck me right off the bat, again, I have a lot of these cameras around here, is their quality. They build these cameras to last. Get your little antenna in the box. You also get your screws. And if you need to drill into cement, guys, sheetrock and something like that, you can explore your options. And like I was saying, you have a designated power wire, or you can power it over the Ethernet card, guys. It's very easy. I mean, I hate to be repetitive, but I love these cameras, guys. Now, you can adjust the angle that you want the camera to be on. You just tighten the little screws. In the back, that's where your antenna is going to go. And of course, this is the front. This is how it looks. This is the lens. So you're going to be able to see in the daytime and the nighttime. And once again, this camera can be used indoor or outdoors. Now, after you have everything set up, it's basically plug and play. This is the monitor that I have it set on. You want to just follow these prompts. You want to set it up from a monitor first before you get into the app. Once you get into the app, guys, these are some screenshots. You want to choose the PoE camera with the NRV system, and you want to select that little scan button, and then you want to go ahead and open up the display, that your dedicated display, and you want to copy that barcode, scan that barcode, and then you're able to use the app. And let me show you exactly what you're going to be able to do in the app. Like I said, I got a lot of these cameras in my house. I can set up groups, so I can go individual devices, or I can go and set up my own group. And you can see I have my outside cameras, And these particular cameras, like I said, I was replacing the ones inside of my house. I just jumped to the next group. Now we're doing some construction in the house and remodeling in the house, so excuse how it look. Got to get it done, guys. But that's another thing that's important. While we're remodeling, I can keep up with the work. The work is in and out the house. And of course, if there's any type of fire hazards or anything going on, I can be away from the home and I can monitor these things. And look how clear. I can go from standard definition to high definition, guys, with a push of the button. Now, these cameras don't come with the operation of all the other cameras that I have that can tilt right, left, up, and down. But you can receive audio, meaning you can hear or you can talk to someone on the other end of the camera. Absolutely amazing, guys. Look at that quality right here. Now, another thing that I want you to take advantage of is that this particular camera system comes with 1 terabyte of storage built into the hub, and you basically can watch live, or you can go ahead and you can playback. And what I like to do from time to time is just open up my app, and again, you can have a dedicated station, because remember the hub have a little mouse and you can do this, but I like using my app. I like to just open up my app and just scrub, the different times of the day, seeing what happened, if any movements in front of the camera or whatever. And just keep in mind that you can always go back to the hub and you can set things, tweak things the way that you want it to perform. So you have so many options, but if you're new to this whole system, it's basically plug and play. Like I said, I like scrubbing through my data or whatever. The app, guys, give you some functions or whatever, but you can choose if you want a dedicated space or you just want to use the app. So there you have it, guys. Security is very important, and these cameras help us achieve that safety and that peace of mind. Let's jump back to the studio. All right, guys, there you have it, straight to the point. That's everything that comes in a box. Setup was absolutely easy. Now, again, as you seen initially when you set it up, you're going to want to connect the hub to a monitor of sorts. That way you can get your QR code where you can set it up via your app. And there's so many other things you can do with this system, guys. It just wasn't enough time in the day to film it and show you. But go ahead and check it out. You're getting it for a steal. Hey, it's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.